Hi, welcome. This is room 5153 on board of Queen Victoria. This is our stateroom. Come on in. So we actually had originally booked a inside room and they gave us a bid to upgrade, so we paid £50 extra and we got a balcony room. So let me take you around. Okay, so in terms of the actual main space, we've got these bedside tables here which are nicely sized. Plenty to put things in, watches and bedside bits and bobs. You've got a TV on the wall showing the muster drill, the important safety features that you get normally on cruises. Got another bedside table over here, a nice little lamp. A sofa bed, it looks like you can pull that out, which is quite good if you had more than 2 people in this room, kids and whatnot. You've got a nice little table and they've left us some complimentary champagne, a little mini bottle. Got a little bedside table, not bedside table, little bedside desk. Hi! And it looks like they've invited us to the Britannia restaurant, so if you don't already know, on Cunard ships you have 3 different types of room. You've got your Britannia rooms, which are most of the rooms. You've then got your Princess Grill rooms, which are, I guess, equivalent to a mini suite on other cruise lines, and then your Queen's Grill, which is like a grand suite. And that then decides what type of dining you're going to have, so Britannia, Princess or Queen's Grill. They've left us a daily programme which you get on other cruise lines, which is quite nice. They print these ones out. On Royal Caribbean now, they don't do that. You have to download it from the app. There isn't an app with Cunard as far as I know. Looks like our room attendant is Geddy. Very nice. Looks like we've got a mini bar, we've got a kettle, which is always a staple for British people. Tea and coffee, some biscuits, some mini bar menu. We won't be using that. There's a hairdryer here. Got a mini bar down here, there you go. Again, that'll be left closed. And then we'll go outside. So, it's a decent sized space, isn't it? Got 2 chairs, one either side of the door. It's quite deep. Sometimes you can get some really shallow balconies, but this one seems to be a decent sized. Got a table, it's looking a bit worse for wear, but generally it's a nice space. I imagine on a nice hot day it'll be good. And you can see along the ship. Obviously the weather's not great today, but as is expected on this type of ship and this tour, on this particular itinerary. Oi! It's quite a heavy door. We'll keep it locked. I don't plan on going back out there again. Otherwise, we'll take you through the storage. So, on this one, you've got some nice deep storage spaces there, so you can see. I've put my bags in there already. You've got a couple of robes here. You've got life jackets up there. Mirror, hello. And they're nice deep storage cupboards. They're big enough for you to be able to put a suitcase in there, which is great. Coat hangers, laundry basket. There's a safe there, more storage. I'm not actually sure yet if we're going to fully unpack everything. We've got our packing cubes with us, so I'll probably just leave them out, throw them straight in. Another wardrobe here, so again you've got a decent sized here to be able to put your suitcases. Another life jacket, so we're not having to share, which is always good. Okay, let's take you to the bathroom. Here you go. Decent sized shower.
Yeah, slightly too short. That's 6 foot. I have to bend down.
It's big enough for one person. You've got a shower curtain there. I prefer a door, but it doesn't matter that much in the grand scheme of things. You've got a nice sized sink. You've got some nice Penhaligon products there. Some more there. Penhaligon's is quite a premium brand in the UK. It's a toiletry brand. We have aftershave from them, which is really nice, but it's quite a pricey product, so I'm surprised to see them here on a Royal Caribbean, on a celebrity ship. Force a habit. And just spare toilet roll down there. Everything's very clean in here. That's definitely one observation. And there we go. That's the tour. All in all, yeah, it's all right. It's not the most modern. I wasn't expecting it to be. I was expecting it to be traditional, and it is, but it's all very clean and it's got quite a nice warm feel to it as well, which is quite nice. Anyway, now we're going to head off, look around the ship and get something to drink and maybe some food. See you later.